At this point of Maharashtra ride, I could clearly imagine why riders who had already been here were saying that once you go here, you will never want to come back to Bangalore. And they were right. My journey, even though I rode already 950 more kilometers here, it was literally just begun. Yesterday, me and Charlie rode from Amboli and reached Mahabaleshwar. Not going to lie, the night was chill like cold water. Recalling Mahabaleshwar twisties, I hit the bed and was thinking that this is probably be it. And guard sections are over. And probably I'm gonna see a shift in the scenery. But as usual, Sahyadri had something else planned for me. I knew there was this place called Varandha Ghat nearby, and I could go there. I never imagined that little thought of riding there is going to be one of the most beautiful morning ride I ever will be doing. Endless twisties, like never ending. Mind was constantly speaking to me to throttle a little bit more on the next corner. The greenery, the perfect morning, golden hour, everything was just perfect, like Mother Nature itself. In this journey, join me while I ride from Mahabaleshwar to Varandha Ghat, where we unlock our next set of adventure of this series. And YouTube did send me a mail that your viewers are amazing and asked them to subscribe to the channel. So yeah, if you're new to my channel and enjoying the ride, subscribe to the channel and hit the like button.
Hey everyone, good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. To another day, to another ride, to another adventure. Whew. The time is 7:04. And we are at Mahabaleshwar city. So yeah, what my friend told yesterday was you're not supposed to fly the drones in some of the places at Mahabaleshwar. For example, he went to this place called Kaspattar. Oh, sandy. There, the guards, I guess, from there told that you are not supposed to fly the drone. We have caught some 4 or 5 drones and all. Initially they told like they won't give the drone, but later I guess that guy called up some 2-3 other guy, and he was like rude and all with him, and then he asked like 2000 rupees, I guess. A classic Maharashtrian Ghat view. Is it a lake? Holy shit, damn. I thought that's a lake, but whole area is covered in fog. Oh my god. Let's see if I get a opening in the front. I'll stop and show you people what I mean by that. Still very early in the morning, so there isn't. Oh my god, bro. I thought like Mahabaleshwar view was over. Until I get to Varandha, I won't get anything. Damn.
It was literally a difficult task to ride from Mahabaleshwar Ghat and towards Varandha Ghat. Not because the road conditions or vehicles, it's because the view was too much distracting. Every now and then, it was making me to glare at those mighty mountains. To top it off, the sun rays casting a stream of rays through the edges, man. On some corners, I was out of words. Finally found a little spot and said to myself, if I don't capture this moment, later I'm gonna be regretting it. So here it is.
We still have some 53 more kilometers to Varandha Ghat, but man, every corner is like a totally different view. Look at that side. We actually came from that way, no? Oh my god. Gorgeous one. For a moment, I honestly forgot I had to vlog also. The routes are that gorgeous, man. I mean, look at these twisties, okay? You will fall in love with this immediately. I think from Mahabaleshwar to Varandha, it's around, I think 70 kilometer if I'm not wrong. And it's gonna be a never-ending fun till there. Maharashtra is like, I can literally say now, the queen of Ghat sections. Sahyadri, right? Oh yeah. There's actually one more, a beautiful location nearby called Kumbe Falls. First we'll get the Varandha Ghat and then we have Kumbe Falls. So after Kumbe Falls we're gonna be, let's see, I don't have any plans. I have booked a stay somewhere near a place called Korad, so we don't have any time constraint for that. And completely, I mean, to be honest, my plannings, everything has changed, okay? Like my initial plan was to what, like come from Bangalore and stay at Amboli, then from Amboli stay at Ambaghat, then from Ambaghat come to Mahabaleshwar, and from Mahabaleshwar then go towards Varandha Ghat and stay at Varandha Ghat on, I think, on the third day, right? But as you saw, schedule is completely altered, which I'm loving it, by the way. I don't have any complaints. I mean, that's how it's supposed to be, right? I mean, if you see some place and if you feel that you need to, you know, stop and have a look at it, that's how you ride. So if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button and share with your friends and family. Man, it has just begun and we are at day 3 at Maharashtra and there are a lot of places to see, so you don't want to miss the actions. Suddenly it got cloudy, man. Oh my god, the whole atmosphere, ambience totally shifted. Now it feels like I'm into monsoon ride again. This fog is not there in the hillside, bro. What did I do wrong? How can one get so unlucky? You don't get a fog in the hills, you come down, you get everything. Talk about bad luck. Happens for a reason, right? So in this route, there's been construction going here and there, and it's been little rough road. I'm not gonna lie, but if that is the location I'm going to, I think it's all worth it. Oh my god. What is that hill, bro? Like, look at its peak. I think this is the first peak which had a, like, literally a peak. Till now, whatever the hills I had seen, right, everything was flat, isn't it? I think that is the first one. Yo, let's go. It's actually, not gonna lie, it's really hot at Varandha Ghat, and but the view, no words for that. The heat is the only issue. You should I think I'm 2.5-3 weeks late for the monsoon rides, but yeah, it is what it is. I mean, Varandha was on my checklist, so I had to come here. I can only imagine how it could be on the monsoon time, but literally no complaints towards the twisties. At least the wind is in favor of us, so at least when you are riding you won't feel that hotness. But if you stop, right, damn. And that too, you're also on the top, no? So that, yeah, from here, Varandha Ghat, again my plan has changed a little bit. Not little bit, like 50% the plans have changed already. I actually met another person who's also a YouTuber, and he also does the, you know, vlogging and all. So we made a plan together. My plan was to go to Kumbhe, and then in the evening stay near Kolad, and next day, tomorrow, from Kolad I'll be, you know, kind of going towards Tamini Ghat. So that was my initial plan, but later what we have kind of planned is from Kumbhe we'll go together now. We found out there is one hidden gem, like an unexplored place in somewhere near to Kumbhe Falls. So we'll go there. I'll show you guys what it is. Stay tuned. And if you're new to the channel, let me remind you again, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like the video if you're enjoying it. Whew. Man, place is beautiful.